Hello. So I'm back, this time with a different camera. So this is Tomica unboxing part 2. Uh, that sounded really dumb, sorry. Since I'm no longer using a really junky cell phone camera, figure I just give you a quick... Does this autofocus? Please tell me this autofocuses. There we go. Since I used my junky cell phone camera for the last one, I wanted to use an older camera, just a standalone camera, that will be better than the stuttering. Oh, sorry about that cat hair there. Because that was pretty annoying. I was pretty disappointed how the last couple videos have turned out. So here's the Outlander. Focus. Too close. There we go. The Toyota Aqua. This is from last time. And the Century. And in great Tomica fashion, none of these are the right scale. But that's fine. Valid criticism. Alright. I'm going to start from left to right. So I'll take these away. Just set them aside for right now. Maybe. Today we have the EQS, the i4, and the Hilux. Little boxes there. Alright. I like Toyota, so I'm going to bust into the Hilux first. Apologies for any audio issues. I'm weighing my pros and cons with my equipment that I have available to me that I don't have to go out and purchase. So, please bear with me. Oh, this one's right side up in the packaging this time. Probably just cram them in there however they think they'll fit. Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's a Toyota Hilux, if I've ever seen one. Yeah. That's cool. This one is 1/70th scale. Excuse me. Little red taillights. Some molded plastic headlights. Looks like the grille is kind of a separate piece. I like this. Springy suspension. Well, there is something on the roof of this one. Oopsie. Looks to be a defect. That's alright. Gives it some character. Very cool. Alright. Number 1. There we go. BMW. This BMW i4, it is 1/65th scale. Oh, come on. The other one opens so nicely. Alright. Sideways in the box. Whoop. Butterfingers. There you go. Nice little black detailing on the bottom. This one is all metal. There's no plastic taillights or headlights or grill. It's all just a decal. It's a lot of black on the back bumper. Looks kind of odd. Like they started to paint the bumper and they just kind of forgot about it. There's no definition to the headlights on this. It's just black. Just black detail. There's not much going on here. The BMW badge looks alright, but it's not great. I mean, it's cool. I got a BMW i4 Tomica, but not as impressed as the other ones. Just set them off to the side here. Alright, so that's 2. Here's number 3. There's that. Sideways. I'm going to make comment of this every time I open one. Alright, so this has some better details than the i4 does, which is nice. Okay, so first off, the grille and the headlights are one molded piece of plastic, but at least it has a little bit of definition to it. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. Alright. And like the silver accents give it a little bit of depth. It's kind of nice. Still kind of boring, bland. But this is a fun one, little Mercedes electric car. I really enjoy the Tomicas because they are not your typical car, not what you would normally get with Hot Wheels or Matchbox. They're just kind of everyday vehicles, and I really enjoy that. So, these little guys, I really like them. And what's cool is there's more of this. I will have more of this. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.